Hi, Katarina. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
Wait. Why is your sound like, hi, miss? Are you okay?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay. So, it's been like so long since we met. How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss. And how about you, Miss?
I'm fine as well, thank you. So, what did you do during the long holiday from Leah?
Mm, mm,
Did you learn?
just playing phone at home, Miss.
You didn't learn to cook something?
No,
Mm.
Miss.
You didn't learn to make something with like uh I don't know, draw something?
No, Miss.
No. What did you play then?
My phone, Miss.
Uh-uh. What game did you play with your phone?
Mm, Bless and Roblox, Miss.
Roblox. Oh, hang on. If I'm not mistaken, there are games in Roblox, like different kinds of games on Roblox. So what do you play on Roblox?
Liftopia and some Obi, Miss.
Pardon? Life what?
Some, Liftopia and some like tower gitu, Miss.
Oh, Lifetopia and Tower.
Yes, Miss.
Hmm. Building a tower?
Mm, yes, Miss.
Yeah, hang on. Eva, wait. Wait, hang on a second. Wait, I think I have it here. Where is it? Hang on. Dun. This one. Is it like this? Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
This is the one that you played.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, this is my niece's channel. See, this is my niece.
Mm, mm.
She made this video. So I was like, this is the same Roblox game that Katarina played. Okay, so Katarina. Speaking of your mid-semester test, I haven't given you the score, right? So this
Yes,
mid-semester test, okay? So this is your mid-semester test. Mm, I will send it to you later, but I'm just going to share it here first. Do. Hang on. I didn't have access. Wait. Okay, so, mm, okay. Katarina, can you see my screen? That's why I was like, what's wrong with Katarina's answers? Let's check the answers then, okay? We will check together which one that you made a mistake with. Number one until nine, eh, cool. Mm. Let's check number 10. What's wrong with number 10? Ah, this one. They use You know what records are, right? What can you use records for? Remember that black thing? So records are for? Katarina, you are muted.
Uh,
So records are for listening to?
So the music,
Listening to music. How about earphones? Is it for talking or for hearing?
hearings,
Hearing. We have video calls and then we have text. Which one can you talk to the teacher? Is it video calls or texting? Talking.
video calls.
Video calls, B, right? So I was like, Katarina, why text? I don't want to know. Okay. And now the next number two. Okay. Dad, what was it like when you so this is in the past. We cannot, because this is in the past, we cannot use. Which one that we can't use?
Was
I mean, like when you're talking about the past, can we use is?
are
Are? We cannot use are. Good. What else?
is
Is. We cannot use this too. Now the options are only two, was or were. For you,
were.
were.
Mm,
Let's check.
ah,
Why was? So you actually knew the answers, Katarina. Kurang hati-hati mengerjakannya. I don't know why. Did you do it quickly? This is my question. Did you do the test quickly? Mister, I'm done. Mister, I'm done. Or did you do it slowly,
mm,
quickly?
faster.
Okay. Now, how about number 12? Well, life was different. We, again, take a look at the answers. Which ones are not for the past?
Huh?
Which ones that we can use for the past? Because this is talking about the past, right?
Mm,
Can we use
the
aren't for the past?
noise,
No. So how about others? Can we use don't for the past?
noise,
No, because don't is for now. I don't know. Doesn't?
no,
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. He doesn't like you. So doesn't is for now. That leaves with only.
we
So
didn't.
we didn't have. See this one. Your answer is doesn't. So Katarina, be careful next time. I know you can do it, but somehow I think, I think you didn't focus on your test. Okay. Let's check. Number 15. Dad, no, I. We already talked about it. Which one that we use for the past? Is it don't or didn't? Katarina, you are muted.
No, I didn't.
Didn't. Got it. So A and C are wrong, right? Because it's don't. Now the next one we have we used to. When we have to, check your book, Katarina. When we use to, do we use played or play?
Plate.
Hmm? Check again. Used to is in this part. Wait, hang on. Dun, 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 dun. It's chapter 2, lesson. Is it lesson 5 or lesson 2?
Mm,
So, did you find it? Do we use play or played after 2?
plate.
Played. Hmm.
Eh, wait, miss.
Mm-mm. Go find it in your book.
Chapter 2, miss.
I think it's chapter 1 or chapter 2. Chapter 1 perhaps? Lesson 5.
Mm,
Chapter 1 lesson 5. Mm.
Oh, yes. I used to.
I used to here. Oh, my book is still blurry. Wait, what does I used to, the boys used to. This is the perfect example. So, Katarina
Didn't.
didn't. So wait, hang on. Can you please read the sentence?
I used to play with dolls.
No ed.
Ah,
So which one is the answer? B or D?
B.
B. There you go. And you actually chose C. It's okay. It's a learning experience. Ini yang namanya belajar. Belajar pasti ada salahnya. Jangan takut. Oke. Ya, Miss, tapi nilaiku cuma 38. Ya, berarti tes selanjutnya harus lebih bagus. Right? Hmm. What else is incorrect? Number 19. Let's check number 19. Ah, Mr. Garfield, how many cars have you fixed? Probably about 1,000. How about you? How many people? If it's you, do we
Oh,
have or has?
has. Have.
Have. So A and D are wrong. No option. The next one, how many people have you? This is actually the
In
same
control.
with ED or no ED?
No ED.
Check lesson 2, chapter 2. So, is it with ED or no ED?
With ED, miss.
With ED. Okay, so there you go. You're right. How mm, how many years have you lived? This is actually the same as number 18, Katarina. Sama kan
Hmm?
nomor 18. How many cars have you fixed with ED? Ini benar nomor 18-nya. See, have you fixed? And then suddenly, when it's the same, exactly the same, yang kosongnya sama, sebelum you sama setelah you. But somehow this one becomes has. You answered with has instead of have. Yang benar kan kalau you have. Berarti yang jawabannya tuh ini, C. The answer is C. So, kurang hati-hati. Padahal ini udah gampang banget ini. 18 sama 19 sama persis. Okay. And then we have number 20. Not many. Because this one is interviewed. Which one is it then? I do, I did, I'm, I've. Remember, the question is how many people have you interviewed? So the answer is if the question is using have, the answer is also using have. Which one is the answer, Katarina?
I did.
Mm-mm. Remember, the
I
question is how many people have you interviewed? Ingat-ingat.
I've
Kalau pertanyaannya ada have, jawabannya juga harus ada have. The same like this. Do you like chocolate, Katarina? Ada do-nya
yeah,
pertanyaannya. Berarti jawabannya juga harus ada do, kan? Yes, I.
yes I do.
They're the same.
Mhm.
Mhm. What else? Congratulations on this one. This is from chapter berapa ya?
So,
Which one do you think? Congratulations on
taking part.
taking part. Correct. Oh yeah, you are correct. I'm so sorry. Okay. Hang on. I need to charge my laptop. Wait. It's coming. Mm-mm. Do you still like Little Monster, by the way?
Little monster.
Little Monster, right? The name of your girl band, favorite girl band? No.
Huh?
Huh? What's your favorite Korean girl band?
Oh,
Little Monster, right?
no, it's baby monster, miss.
Oh, Baby Monster. I'm sorry. Do you still like Baby Monster?
Yes, miss.
Mm-mm. The question is, do you still like Baby Monster? Yes.
Yes, I do.
There you go. Yes, I do. Okay. So, taking part is correct. 22. Let's check 22. Thank you. The thing is, this is haven't. When we have haven't, kalau tadi have, haven't, berarti selanjutnya harus pakai verb
Hey,
re. But when is verb one, so we cannot use haven't. Which one can we use if it's not haven't?
didn't.
Correct. Tring. Oh, okay. So basic point is, Katarina, you you know you can do it. Sebenarnya Katarina mampu, Katarina tahu jawabannya, tapi kurang hati-hati. Okay. So it's not because you didn't know the answer. Jadi bukan karena Katarina nggak tahu atau karena belum belajar, tapi karena memang kurang hati-hati. Okay. So there you go. Katarina, uh, you're going to have Easter is on Friday, right?
What, Miss?
Easter.
Ah, Mah, Paskah hari apa? Oh, Minggu,
Oh, next week.
Paskah
Still next week or this week?
next week. Sunday next week, Miss.
Is Easter 2025. Oh, 20. Okay. So, there you go. Do you still remember what we learned before we had a break? There was a story about a girl. Do you remember her name?
Yes, Miss.
What's her name?
Alice.
Alice. Got it. Now we are going to talk about the story of a girl named Katarina. Huh? Huh? Okay. So check this one out, Katarina. We're going to talk about the story of your life. We already learned these words. Okay. I hope you still remember them. Can we read the words first before we talk about your story? Go ahead,
What?
Katarina. Let's read the words. Ready?
Disappointing,
Mm-mm,
amazing,
mm-hmm.
realistic,
Got it.
frightening,
Mm-hmm.
confusing,
Got it.
awful,
Mm-hmm.
weird, and embarrassing.
Ooh, not weird. Weird.
Weird.
And
Embarrassing.
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 Got it. Okay. Now, we also learn about some other words in this part. Eh, bro. Yeah. So we learn about disappointed versus disappointing. If I say, my holiday is not good, I'm, which one should I use? Disappointed or disappointing? You are muted.
Disappointing.
I'm disappointing or I'm disappointed?
I'm disappointed.
I'm disappointed. Got it. My holiday was not good. I was disappointed. The holiday was membosankan. Which one is it? Bored or boring?
Boring.
Boring. Got it. The holiday was boring. Tapi liburannya tidak menakutkan.
Uh, Frightening.
Hang on. I didn't say in English. You have to say all of them in English. Tapi liburannya tidak menakutkan.
But the holiday is not frightening.
But the holiday not is. In the past,
But the holiday used
what's the past of is?
this.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
This
Are
one. Mm-mm. This one, Katarina. So,
the holiday was frightening.
duh, tidak menakutkan. Was?
Was not frightening.
Got it. But the holiday was not frightening. Um, tidak ada yang menarik.
There was no interested
Interested or interesting?
interesting.
Uh-uh. There was nothing interesting. Okay. There you go. Now we're going to talk about your time, Katarina. Oh, Katarina, I'm going to ask, did you have a holiday from school?
Yes.
How long? 1 week?
Uh, I think just 4 days, Miss.
4 days. Okay. Now we're going to talk about those 4 days. Okay. We're going to try to use these words: disappointed, disappointing, bored, boring, frightened, frightening, interested, interesting, embarrassing, embarrassed. Also, you can use the words from this part: amazing, weird, awful. Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do. Tring. So, Katarina, open your book to chapter 3, lesson 1 and 4. 5. Lesson 1 and 5. Okay. You are going to tell me about what you did uh during the 4 days holiday, during your 4 day of holiday. I'm going to type it for you. Steady yang ngetik, Katrina yang cerita. When did you start your holiday? Tanggal berapa sampai tanggal berapa? Check the calendar. I think it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Mm, mm, mm.
So, what time was your holiday?
Oh, from kok ini? Hmm, from 14.
Mm-mm.
Eh, eh, today is 14.
Today is 14th.
Kapan nih, Miss? Wait, Miss.
Okay.
Mm, mm. From 29 hmm, 29 Maret sampai 4 April, Miss.
So go ahead and tell me. Liburanku dari tanggal 29 Maret sampai 4 April.
My holiday
Mm-mm.
was from
Mm-mm.
was
Was from?
Was from 29 March
Oh.
until
Hmm?
4 April
Oh.
2020.
Hang on, not 4. The 4th of April.
The 4th of April
Mm-hmm. 20?
2029.
Huh?
Eh,
2029 or 2025? Katarina? 20?
2025.
There you go. How was your holiday? Was it boring, interesting, amazing, frightening? What else? Disappointing? Up to you.
My holiday
Mm-mm.
was boring.
Boring. Got it. Why were you bored? Aku bosan karena go.
Yeah. What miss?
Why were you bored? Kenapa bosan? Karena nggak kemana-mana, karena nggak punya teman, karena I don't know, up to you.
Because when I was holiday,
Hmm?
uh, me and my friend
Mm-mm.
is apa ya sih?
Tidak ketemu?
No, miss. It's we are me and my friend was like be an enemies.
Like what, sir?
Enemy.
Enemy?
Enemy, miss.
Oh,
Musuh.
you have to tell me what happened. But first, let's talk about it. Aku bosan karena. How do you say that in English?
Kok sorry.
It's okay.
My holiday
It's
was
boring.
because
Oh, hang on. Let's start with a new sentence. Aku bosan karena
my holiday was boring.
liburanku
I
menyenangkan.
feel bored.
Almost.
I was feel bored
I was bored because
because me and my friend was enemy.
mm, ooh, when we talk about ourselves and someone else, we don't say me and my friends because my friend and I, two, do we use was or were?
Where?
Were enemies. Oh, what happened? Emangnya kenapa kok jadi musuhan?
Mm, I was didn't like him.
Huh? Him.
Her.
Oh, him.
Her.
Is your friend boy?
She's always
Hmm?
mm, apa namanya? She's always
Mm-mm.
ask for my food.
Oh, I see. Okay, let's write the sentences then. Aku tidak menyukainya. I.
I didn't like her
Mm-mm.
because
Mm-mm. She.
she always
Mm-mm.
ask for my food.
Seriously, was your friend as big as Miss Teddy?
Um,
I mean, like, I like food, and when someone has food, I will ask because I'm fat. How about your friend? Was she fat too? That's why she liked to ask for your food?
no, miss.
No.
She eat she cause if she
Mm-mm.
eat my food,
Mm-mm.
she's just using my food
Mm-mm.
and then she was apa tuh? She's always finished my food, miss.
Mm. So she had double food, right? Her own food and your food. Is that so?
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. How can we say that? Jadi kita ceritanya gimana dong itu? Dia suka mengambil makananku karena she, dia mengambil
Cause
makananku.
I didn't like her because she always asked me for my food. Si she siapa ya?
Mengambil
She
makananku.
yes, miss.
In English, what is mengambil?
Um, she's always she apa sih?
Do you want a clue?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Takes. What's the past tense of takes?
Take
Mm-mm.
took
Took. Got it. She took my.
she took my food.
Mm-hmm. So, dia mengambil makananku supaya she.
She fed
Mm-mm.
she took
She had.
had had
Makanan double.
ah makanan double. Ah,
Jadi makanannya dua kan?
oh yes, miss.
Mm-hmm. So she had.
Two
Mm-mm.
foods.
So she had two
Food.
foods. Got it. There you go. Was her food not enough? Emang makanannya dia nggak cukup gitu, jadi harus minta makanannya Katarina?
I don't know, miss.
Hmm.
Maybe
Mm-mm.
This food was not delicious, or
Let's talk about it. Maybe
maybe
her.
her food
Mm-mm.
not delicious.
Almost. Maybe her.
Uh, not feel delicious.
What? If you say it for the present, you say, my food is not delicious. But if it's in the past, you don't say is, but Katarina,
Yes, miss.
not is, but
Was
was. Maybe her food was not
delicious.
delicious. Okay. Ooh, what other words can we use from from chapter 3? Go check chapter 3. So what other words can we use? We have disappointing, amazing, realistic, frightening, confusing, awful, weird, embarrassing.
Lightning. Embarrassing.
Embarrassing. You want to use it? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Temanku itu memalukan. So,
Mm, my friend
mhm,
was embarrassing.
mhm. My friend was embarrassing. Let's read the story again before we continue. My holiday was from March the 29th until April the 4th, 2025. My holiday was boring. I was bored because my friend and I were enemies. I didn't like her because she always asked for my food. She took my food, so she had two foods. Maybe her food was not delicious. My friend was embarrassing. So, besides your friend, did you find anything else during your holiday besides boring? Anything else? Maybe, um, I don't know, disappointing. What is disappointing, Katarina?
Disappointing. Um, Kecewa.
Mengecewakan. So, do you think your holiday was disappointing? No?
Mm, no.
No. How about weird? Do you think your holiday was weird?
Yes, miss.
What is weird again?
Aneh.
Aneh. Okay, so your holiday was weird?
My holiday was weird because
Mhm.
I was do home course.
Sorry, I was?
I was do home course.
Oh,
Bersihkan rumah.
not I was do. I? What's the past tense of do?
Indeed.
Mm-mm. I did.
I did
You had
home.
homework? For the holiday? My holiday was also weird because I did homework. How many subjects did you have homework? Berapa mata pelajaran?
3, Miss.
You can talk about it. I
I
Aku punya.
did
Oh, I did. Okay.
I did homework
Mm-mm. Untuk 3 mata pelajaran.
for 3 subjects.
There you go. Did you get any help, Katarina?
No, Miss.
No. Is that disappointing or not? Karena nggak ada yang bantu, mengecewakan atau enggak?
No, Miss.
No. So you can say, walaupun tidak ada yang membantu, tapi aku tidak kecewa.
Meskipun
Do you know what meskipun means?
even though nothing helped, I
Even though, oh, not nothing. Tidak ada.
something
No, nothing is
no
satu benda. How about satu orang? No,
nobody's
even though nobody membantuku.
helped. I
Oh, not I.
helped me.
Aku tidak kecewa.
I'm not disappointed.
Not am. Past tense.
I've
Only two. Was or were. Which one is it for I?
was.
I was not kecewa.
I was not disappointed. Pointed.
Which one? Disappointing or disappointed? I was not disappointing. Disappointed. Disappointing. Which one, Katarina?
Disappointed.
Disappointed. There you go. Disappointed. Okay. Anything else about your holiday that you wanted to say?
No, Miss.
No?
No, Miss.
Go ahead then. Please read your story aloud. What is that? Go on, Katarina. Please read your holiday. Oh, I'm going to. What title do you want for this story?
My weird holiday.
Weird holiday. There you go. Go ahead. Please read it.
My weird holiday. My holiday was from March 29 until April 4, 2025. My holiday was boring. I was bored because my friend and I were enemies. I didn't like her because she always asked for my food. She took my food, so she had 2 foods. Maybe her food was not delicious. My friend was embarrassing. My holiday was also weird because I did homework. I did homework for 3 subjects. Even though nobody helped me, I was not disappointed.
There you go. So that was about your holiday. Oh, let's check how many words from chapter 3 that you used. Take a look at lesson 2 and lesson 5. How many words there that you used?
Three, five, Miss.
5. What are they?
Boring,
Mm-hmm. Boring.
bored,
Bored. Eh. Okay. What else?
embarrassing,
Okay. Embarrassing. Then
weird,
weird
weird, and disappointed.
and disappointed. There you go. Mm. I didn't have I got it. So something like this, Katarina, help you remember the words that you've learned. Karena kalau nggak pernah dipakai, kata-kata yang kita pelajari juga akan terus itu apa tuh? Apa tuh? Apa tuh? So you keep looking for the words, but if you use the words as often as possible, kalau digunakan sesering mungkin, the words will hopefully stick to your memories. Harapannya kata-kata ini akan nempel di ingatan kita. So use the words often. Wait, hang on. I'm going to. Okay, got it. Katarina is off. You turn off your video. Why? Why? Katarina, are you still there?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Have we done this, by the way? Activity 2?
What, Miss?
Have we done activity 2? Chapter 3, lesson 5? Your student book, have you circled the correct word? Not
Oh,
yet?
yes, Miss.
You have? Seriously? Okay, let's read. I'll read number 1, you will read number 2, okay? Yasmin was disappointed when she woke up.
Ah.
Number 2,
Oh, Yasmin is bored because she has heard the dream before.
mhm. Do I read number 3 or do you want to read number 3, Katarina?
He missed the number 3.
Okay. The monster in Angelo's dream was frightening.
Angelo's dream was interesting.
Mhm. How about number 5? Is it you or me?
You, Miss.
Angelo was embarrassed because Yasmin hurt him. There you go. So, okay. Now we have an extra activity here. I'm going to go to the activity book. You don't have this book. I do. I have the activity book. So take a look at this.
Mm.
Wait, hang on. Still blurry. Okay. So let's try this one out, Katarina. Can you see it? This time you're going to read Number 1 until number 4. Go ahead. I just
I I just read an interesting article about animals and sleeping. Do you know that cats can sleep for about 20 hours every day?
wait. 20 hours? Not 20.
12.
Mm.
12 hours every day.
Mm.
When they're bored, they just fell asleep.
Mm.
Giraffes are completely different. They only sleep for a few minutes, and they sleep with their eyes open.
Mm.
I think that's frightening.
Don't you?
Don't you? When we're on the school bus, Angelo was always sleeps with his mouth open. I'm always I'm always very embarrassing when I'm sitting next to him.
Wait. Is it I'm embarrassing or I'm embarrassed?
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed. I'm always very embarrassed. One more time.
I'm always embarrassed he eh, when when I'm sitting next to him.
Because Angelo sleeps with his mouth open. Katarina, one word that we need to highlight. It's this one. How do you say this word, Katarina?
Hours.
The H is silent, so you don't say the H. So,
Ano?
how do you say it?
Hours.
Hours. Mr. D. Nacho. No, it's hours. Hang on a second. Let me share this one out. Let's listen.
Hours. Hours.
Did you hear hours or hours?
Hours, miss.
Hours.
Got it. So it's exactly the same as this.
Hours. Ours.
Hours. See? Okay. Now, Katarina, we're going to talk about your sleeping habit. What time do you sleep at night?
At 10 p.m. miss.
10 p.m. And what time do you wake up at in the morning?
At 5.
At 5. So how many
Empat.
hours is that?
What, miss?
How many hours do you sleep?
10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, miss.
7 hours. Got it. Now, when you sleep, Katarina, do you bring a toy with you, like a doll or a teddy bear or something? Katarina,
What, miss?
when you
What,
sleep,
miss?
do you bring a toy with you, like a teddy bear? My nephew brought a dinosaur when he sleeps. So like the dinosaur was this big and he always brings it to the bed. How about you? Do you also bring something to the bed?
Yes, Miss.
What do you bring?
My polar bear
Polar
doll, Miss.
polar bear. Katarina,
Yes, Miss.
polar bear. So not teddy bear, but polar bear. It's white. Katarina,
Yes, Miss.
is your bear white?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, I see. So it is a polar bear. Okay. Now, the next question is, do you sleep with one pillow or two pillows?
Two pillows, Miss.
Two pillows. Okay. Do you turn off the light or do you keep the light on?
Turn off the light, Miss.
All dark or still a small light?
There's still a small light, Miss.
There's still a small light. Got it. Okay. So there you go. We talk about your sleeping habit. Now we're going to talk about these people sleep habits. What are habits anyway, Katarina? Do you know what they are?
But, Miss,
Habits. What does it mean by habits?
habitat,
Mm-mm.
kebiasaan, Miss.
Kebiasaan. That's why I asked you about your habits. Okay. Let's listen to these people and their sleep habits.
Chapter 3, Lesson 6, Activity 1. 1.
It's a little embarrassing, but I still need my teddy bear to fall asleep.
Hang on.
2.
I take a book to bed.
Wait. Okay. So apparently you need to number the pictures. Okay. How many pictures do you need to number? Number 1 has been done for you. So how many more left?
Two.
Mm, 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 mm.
No. And close your eyes. You fell asleep.
Oh, hang on. Can you see the white box, Katarina?
Yes, Miss.
So how many numbers do you need to write? Number 1 is here. How many more numbers do you need to write?
6.
Huh? 6? No way.
4.
Hi, no way. Check. How many empty boxes?
5, Miss.
5. Okay, let's check one by one. Can you see the purple bedroom? This one?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. What can you see in the purple bedroom?
Purple.
This one.
Asleep.
Hmm. Does the person bring a teddy bear?
Yes, Miss.
Purple. This one.
No, Miss.
Not a teddy bear. But what's this in the green mug? What do you think it is?
Slippers.
A what? Sorry?
Coffee.
Coffee? Maybe. It looks hot, right?
Yes, Miss.
And number 1, okay, it's been done. How about this one? The blue purple bedroom. What can you see in the blue purple bedroom?
Sleep to Miss.
Sleep too?
Yes, Miss.
What does the person bring to the bed?
Some fish pillow.
Some pillow, fish pillow. Okay. How about this one? The the blue only bedroom. What can you see
He,
there?
he had a dream
A dream about
about a sheep.
sheep. Got it. How about this one in the middle? What can you There's something in bed. On the bed, sorry.
What is that? Oh, some book story.
A book, a storybook. Got it. And the last one, this one. Is there anything in the bed, on the bed, next to the bed?
Yes, Miss.
What is it?
Some light from.
From
Mm,
outside?
yes, Miss.
Okay. Now we're going to listen to the audio. You need to number the pictures, okay? You can do it in your student book, Katarina.
Okay.
Chapter 3, Lesson 6, Activity 1. 1,
It's a little embarrassing, but I still need my teddy bear to fall asleep.
2,
I take a book to bed. I lie down and read, but I just can't stay awake for more than 10 pages, even if the book is very interesting. My mom has to turn off the light for me.
3,
I turn off all the lights in the room, but I leave a small light on outside my bedroom. I'm frightened of the dark.
4,
I have a special pillow. I even take it with me on vacation.
5,
I can't sleep when I stay up late and watch a movie, so I go to bed before 10 o'clock. I usually drink hot chocolate first.
6,
When I can't sleep, I close my eyes and count sheep.
Okay. So which one is number 2, Katarina? Please write the number on my screen. Okay. Number 3.
3.
What do you remember about number 3?
Aduh, wait, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Bisa dong? 3.
Okay. Number 4.
4.
And then 5 and
6. 5.
5. Got it. Oh, my question. Do you still remember what's inside the mug?
Yeah, yes, Miss.
What is it then?
It's a hot chocolate, Miss.
Hot chocolate. Got it. And what does it say about number 4?
A special pillows,
A
Miss.
special pillow. Nice. Number 6. This is not a dream then. What did he say?
He count the lamb sheep.
The sheep. He counts sheep. Got it. There you go. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which habit is the closest to you? Yang mirip-mirip sama kebiasaan Katarina yang mana?
Number 6 and 4, Miss.
6 and 4. You have a special pillow? Katarina?
No, Miss. Number 3 and 6.
3 and 6. Oh, so you keep a little light on and you count sheep.
Yes, Miss.
Why counting sheep? That's my question. Why do you count sheep?
No, Miss. I didn't count the sheep, but I like make my alur mimpi, Miss.
Oh, I made my dream. Oh, what
Yes,
dream story?
yes, Miss.
I see. Oh, let me imagine you making a dream story. So you were about to sleep. You already closed your eyes, and then you go like, if I met baby monster, I would just scream and ask for a selfie, and then they would ask me to sing with them, and I will sing on the stage, and everybody will clap and say, Katarina. So, is that what you dream?
Yes. Uh, um, it's like me
Mm-hmm.
and my people that I like, Miss.
Mm-mm. What do you
Eh,
do in your dream?
I will be a Disney character, Miss.
A what? Sorry.
Be a Disney character, Miss.
Oh, a Disney character. Hang on. Which Disney character is this? Like Belle, Ariel, what else? Snow White, Jasmine, Pocahontas. Which one? Mulan.
Elsa.
Oh, Elsa. Okay. Okay. Elsa. Oh, I like Elsa. Oh, my question. Why do you like Elsa? But uh no, hang on. The question is, why do you like Elsa more than Anna?
Mm. Suddenly I more like I like them too, Miss.
But you choose to be Elsa, not Anna. Anna.
To be Elsa
Mm-hmm.
because be a queen and have some power.
Mm-hmm.
I want to be Elsa.
There you go. Because Elsa is the queen and she has the power. I like the power too. Like, okay, let it go. Now we're going to try to read this. Are you ready, Katarina?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Please follow my speed and intonation, okay? Ikuti kecepatannya Miss Teti sama nadanya. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
When you lie down and close your eyes, do you fall asleep easily at night?
When you lie down and close your eyes, do you fall asleep easily at night?
Hmm. Do you fall asleep easily at night?
Do you fall asleep easily at night?
Easily.
Easily.
Got it. One more time. Do you fall asleep easily at night?
Do you fall asleep easily at night?
Or do you stay awake and think about things?
Or do you stay awake and think about things?
Many people take a teddy bear to bed with them, while others might have a special pillow.
Many people take a teddy bear to bed with them, while others might have a special pillow.
Do you turn off all the lights or are you frightened of the dark?
Do you turn off all the lights or are you frightened of the dark?
Do you stay up late or go to bed early?
Do you stay up late or go to bed early?
When you can't sleep, do you count sheep?
When you can sleep, do you count sheep?
Got it. Okay. There you go. Now we have how many words? Oh, how many? Yeah, okay, I'll take. How many phrase? Phrase itu artinya bisa terbentuk dari dua kata. Okay, so how many phrase? This one. How many phrases are in red, Katarina?
What means?
How many phrases are in red?
Phrases.
Hmm. Phrases itu
Phrases.
apa? Phrases itu adalah bukan kalimat, tapi kata lebih dari satu. Jadi bisa terbentuk dari dua kata. For example, lie down. Satu frase. Okay. So how many phrases do you see?
1, 2, 3, or 5. 5, miss.
Only 5?
Uh-uh.
Okay. And there's one word too, pillow. Okay. Now we're going to try to find the opposites. Okay.
Okay.
Katarina, what's the opposite of stay awake?
Stay awake. Stay awake, what miss? Lie down.
Mm-mm.
Stay awake. Stay.
What does it mean by stay awake?
Mm, um, 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 not off.
Sorry?
Apa sih? Apa po?
Stay awake.
Stay awake.
Mm-hmm.
Not off.
What? Not off?
Yes, miss.
That was for things, not off. Now, stay awake means actually stay awake. Kira-kira artinya terjaga, gak bisa tidur. So stay awake. What's the opposite of stay awake then?
Sleep.
Almost. It's there. Not only sleep, but
Fall asleep.
fall asleep. Got it. The difference between sleep and fall asleep is when you fall asleep is ngantuk and you fall asleep. That's why it's called fall karena biasanya kita sambil baca buku fall. Okay? Beneran kayak terjatuh. So fall asleep. But sleep is only ya udah kalau udah tidur ya tidur, udah nggak tertidur lagi. Okay? So what's the opposite of the dark?
What, miss?
What's the opposite of the dark?
Light.
The light. Got it. What's the opposite of stay up? Katarina, you are muted. What's the opposite of stay up? Katarina?
Yes, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Stay up, Miss.
Stay up.
Same, like stay awake, Miss.
Got it. So what's the opposite?
Fall asleep too.
Fall asleep too. Got it. What's the opposite of lie down?
Wake up.
Wake up. Okay, there you go. So there you are. Now, a question to you. You already told me that you um s- put a little light on when you sleep. My question is, do you fall asleep easily at night, Katarina?
Mm, sometimes yes, sometimes not, Miss.
Hmm. When is that? Sometimes yes. Kalau iya, kenapa? Kok bisa cepat tidur? Kalau enggak, kenapa?
Mm, Cause maybe sometimes
Hmm?
I had a bad dream, Miss. So when I sleep,
Mm-mm.
I was wake up again.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I cannot sleep, Miss.
Oh, I see. But this is before you sleep, Katarina. So before you even sleep, before you dream,
Ah,
do you fall
yeah,
asleep easily at night?
no, Miss.
No, why not?
Cause it's a very, very hot temperature temperature in
Mhm.
my room.
In your room. It's very, very hot in my room. Well, I thought because this is the deal. Okay. Sometimes I cannot fall asleep easily because I scroll my phone too much. Scrolling,
Mm,
scrolling, scrolling. Pas lihat jam, udah jam 12 malam. Astagfirullah. Close, close. I didn't fall asleep easily. It's like I spent 1 or sometimes 2 hours just lying down in bed and scrolling the phone. How about you? Do you bring phone to your bed?
yes, Miss.
Ah, and do you also fall asleep? Do you also scroll your phone before you go to bed?
Sometimes if my parents is work, Miss.
Katarina. Try not to uh try to stay away, not awake. Stay away from your phone at night. Okay. So the last part, we still have 2 more minutes. The last part, we have this word. How do you say it, Katarina?
Wait, where, Miss?
Can you see my this one?
Oh, GHT.
Hmm. So how do you
Night.
night? Got it. So when we have GHT, we say the word as I hate zoom, zoom, zoom. Instead of saying night with ug sound, we actually say it night like this. Okay. Now, what other word? Only one. Oh, I'll give you two words that use GH. That's your password to leave Zoom. Cari dua kata yang ada huruf GH-nya. You can find it in the reading.
Done, Miss.
So, what are they?
Might
Mm-hmm.
and lights.
And lights. Got it. One more time, the pronunciation.
Lights and might.
Got it. Nggak pakai suara g. Udah bagus. Sip. Some people actually say liked. So I was like, what is liked? Light, might, night. There you go. Do you have any questions about what we learned today, Katarina?
No, Miss.
No questions? Beneran?
Mm, yes, Miss.
Okay, then. If you don't have any questions, I'm going to let you go. Thank you for joining the first session, Katarina. Good night.
Bye-bye, Miss. Good night. Thank you. Mhm.